Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno 5 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find additional settings. On the second position we've got date and time, so let's simply enter, and here we've got plenty of options which we can customize. Firstly, we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use. Right now obviously we are using 24-hour format, so in order to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see on the status bar, it immediately changes. Under it we've got the option to set the time zone time and actually the date automatically. It will be network provided, but we can also set it manually. Just tap on this switcher in order to turn off this option, and as you can see, the time zone, date and time options are active, so here we can freely tap on it, and by swiping we can choose the time we want to use. As you can see, it also immediately changes on the status bar. We can also change the date just like you want to, so just by swiping you can choose, for example, this date. What's more, we can change the time zone. Just by tapping here you will be transferred to the full list of available time zones and regions from which we can choose, so all you have to do is simply find the one you like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, this one. As you can see, it is immediately changed, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change automatically according to it. Okay, so under it we've got also the option which is called home screen world clock. Obviously you can turn it on or off just like you want to. If you'd like to turn it on, you will have to tap on dual clock. Turn it on, also tap on set, and you will have to pick the place of your usual residence. So if you want to just have fun with this section, I will personally would like to turn it off, so let me do it. And actually this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and obviously you can go back to all previous settings, so you can decide to set the time zone, date and time automatically just by tapping on the switcher here, and as you can see it immediately changes. And the same situation with the time format, just tap on the switcher to use 24-hour one. So actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your OPPO Reno 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.